Hey friend, welcome to my channel. My name is Precious Kalin. Today I'll be sharing with you how I hacked LinkedIn's algorithm to get flooded with high-paying clients. So this is something near and dear to all our hearts, and if you want to know all the secrets, keep watching. Before I continue, kindly like this video, hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell to notify you once I upload a video. So you know the feeling. You spend hours trying to create the perfect post and you share it with all of your connections. You engage in endless conversations, but your notifications are still quiet. I've been there and I've spent countless hours trying to figure out how to get things right, how to get seen, how to get people notice me. And I've tried all the engagement hacks out there, from posting to specific times to using certain keywords. But then something happened. I cracked the code. So I unlocked the secrets of the LinkedIn's algorithm. And let me tell you, it's like I have the magic spell that attracts high-paying clients. Before you get all skeptical about me, this isn't all about some shady tricks or get rich quick schemes. This is about understanding how the LinkedIn algorithm works and using that knowledge to your advantage. Forget about all the endless engagement hacks you see floating around the internet. They're just a bunch of noise. You need to understand the types of content the LinkedIn algorithm loves. We are talking about thought leadership articles, insightful industry commentary, and engaging videos that spark conversation, posts that engage with people, posts that people love. So the first thing you need to understand about the LinkedIn algorithm is that it's all about relevance. LinkedIn wants to show its users the content they're most really interested in. Because if someone is not interested in a particular post, LinkedIn algorithm won't promote that post. So how do you ensure your content is relevant to your target audience? Here are a few tips. Number one, post about topics that your ideal clients really care about. You need to understand what are their pain points, what are their challenges, what do you really know about their interests. You can create content that addresses those needs. And when you do that, you are posting something that is valuable to your audience. Number two, use keywords that your target audience is really searching for. When people search for keywords on LinkedIn, algorithm shows them the profiles and posts most relevant to those keywords. So do some keyword research and ensure your content uses those keywords. Number three, engage with your audience. The more you interact with other people on LinkedIn, the more likely your content is to be seen by others. So take the time to like and comment on other people's posts, join relevant groups, and participate in discussions if you can. Really gonna be helpful. But it's not just about what you post. It's also about how you post it. So here are a few tips for optimizing your LinkedIn post. Number one, use high quality visuals. People are most likely to pay attention to a post with a catchy image or video like this. And so take the time to create or find visuals that will grab attention. Number two, write a strong headline. Your headline is the first thing people see. So make sure it's attention grabbing and relevant to your content. Number three, keep your posts concise. People are busy, trust me, they are so busy, so they are not going to read a long, lengthy post. Keep your post to the point and easy to read. Number four, use a call to action. Tell people what you want them to do after they read your post. Do you want them to visit your website? Do you want them to download an ebook, sign up for an email list, etc.? Make sure your call to action is clear and easy to follow, because it's going to help your audience know the next point of action to take. Finally, there are a few hidden triggers that can help you get more visibility on LinkedIn, and here are a few tips to keep in mind. Number one, post consistently. This is somehow overrated. The more you post, the more likely you are to be seen by the algorithm. Trust me, it happens a lot of times. Number two, get involved in LinkedIn groups if you can, because when you are engaging in the groups and other people see you, they are most likely to check out your post and see what you're doing. Who is this person? What does he do? Can I work with him? Can I collaborate with him? Etc. Number three, get recommendations and endorsements. So recommendations are from people you've worked with and even your colleagues and friends, and endorsements are actually a general thing. So following these tips can attract a wave of high-paying clients on LinkedIn. But remember, building a successful LinkedIn profile takes time and effort. Don't expect to see results overnight. Just keep putting out all great content, engaging with your audience, and using the tips I've shared in this video. There are so many other strategies like cold DMs, cold messaging, cold calls. But these are the basics that you need to master to be able to get seen and attract high-quality clients. And if you're patient enough, you are going to get results. Thanks for watching, and leave a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks on how to dominate the LinkedIn game, build your career, and to make more money. See you soon.